No more messy nightstands. A personalized docking station is the perfect way to keep essentials organized. This is part 4 of 10 trendy romantic anniversary gifts for him to surprise. First up, the personalized wood phone docking station, a sleek and stylish organizer that keeps all daily essentials like a phone, wallet, keys, and glasses in one place, making life easier. Next, the wood phone docking station for up to 3 phones, a perfect pick for tech lovers who need extra space to charge multiple devices at once. Moving on, the gift for him, personalized docking station, a functional and sentimental piece that keeps everything neatly arranged while adding a personal touch. Then the GRETAOTO personalized docking station, a multifunctional organizer with a premium look, ideal for keeping his desk or nightstand clutter-free. Finally, the personalized wooden docking station for Dad, a timeless and elegant gift that combines convenience with sentimentality, making it perfect for fathers who love to stay organized. Curious about part 3? Check out the blog to find out. Link in bio. Like, follow, and share for more unique and affordable gift ideas.